Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to share with you guys a small little haul that I picked up from a D-Stash page on Instagram. I'll have Christina's page down below, so you guys can definitely go check her out. She always has a bunch of goodies and super affordable and extremely fast shipping. I do not know why I never picked this collection up. It's so girly, so me. I just feel like I kept putting it in my cart and not picking it up. My mind's eye collections tend to be a little bit more pricier than like your regular collections, so I think that's what kind of was holding me back. But I saw that Christina had it on her page, and of course I picked it up. So I picked up the ephemera pack, and you get a bunch of goodies. You get 60 little pieces. Not that I need any more ephemera, but you guys, this is so cute. And I plan to dig in ASAP, so that's why I wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I tear into it. This is the paper pad. I always get the 6x6 because I rarely use 12x12 paper. I love that it's double-sided, you guys. And the colors are so me. The mint green, the pink. Absolutely love it. And it's perfect for Valentine's. Here's a little pack of enamel dots. This is a pack of decorative brads. You get 24. Isn't that cute? Look at that, you guys. I think the only thing that I'm missing from this collection is I think it's the journaling cards, which I'm gonna probably order on eBay or something. And then this is the chipboard pieces. Yeah, you get 45 pieces. That is so good. So cute. Look at the little bobby pins. And then there's this one with a little eye mask. Remember, you guys, I made those last year. I plan on making them again. How cute. But yeah, you guys, this is the Gal Meets Glam My Mind's Eye collection. Let me know down below if you guys have this collection. I know I'm probably totally late. Actually, Peachy Cheap had a deal on it yesterday, and I was going to pick it up, and I forgot again just to get a backup. But yeah, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more Valentine's Day embellishment idea videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.